Hello friend, now we are going to discuss about the neural control and coordination. In previous class we have already discussed about the hormonal control, chemical control. There is the chemical secretion to control the body system, to control the whole body organ and proper body function. But here is the control system is different. Here is the neurons, so one of the nerve cell which helps in controlling the body proper function. So neural control and coordination is means controlled by the nerves, controlled by the neuron, so or controlled by the nervous system. We have a nervous system. So if we have a bundle of the neurons to form the nerves and the system which is goes throughout the body organ and control the body organ in proper function. So we have there are three types of the nervous system. First is CNS, central nervous system. Second, peripheral nervous system. Third one, autonomic nervous system. In CNS, brain and spinal cord are present. So brain, it's the central units of the nervous system. Spinal cord, which also control the nerve process. And the third one is peripheral nervous system, where the nerves are going to the peripheral part of the body. So first the neurons which are nerves emerges from the brain is called cranial nerve, and the nerves emerges from the spinal cord is called spinal nerves. So we have 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal. Another nervous system which is voluntary and involuntary control. So this is a ANS, autonomic nervous system. We have sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve process. So now we start the structure basis of the neuron. So neuron is nothing, it is just a functional unit of nervous system. So neuron, so on the basis of structure, neurons are different types. So the main sense in nervous system is first is neuron, second neurosecretory cell, third glial cell, and last fourth ependymal cell. So first we discuss about the neurons structure. So on the basis of structure there are various type of neuron. First is unipolar neuron, only one pole arises to emerge the another pole, because neurons have a three structure. First structure is cytosol, second a emergence process which have been receive the information is called dendrites, and the posterior process is called axon. So in unipolar only one poles arises to form dendrites and axon. Second is bipolar neuron. Here is the bipolar neuron. Here is the two polar. One dendrites and one axon arises from two opposite poles. Second, multipolar neuron. Here is the multipole arises from the main body, that is called cytosol. So many dendrites are arising which receive the signal from the various neurons. So and the cytosol which is receive the signal and then pass the signal to another posterior elongation is called axon. So here is the multipolar neurons which present in the human adult, and the non-polar neurons which don't have any polarity, don't emerges as a dendrites and axon. So in special cells that is called amacrine cells present in human retina is non-polar. A pseudopolar neurons is the false polarity arises in neurons. So it is exceptional cases of location of the neuron. On the basis of the functional basis, there are three types of neurons. First is the afferent neuron, second efferent, and third one mixed neuron. In afferent neuron, it is also called the sensory neuron. It receives the signal from the receptor and goes the signals to the CNS. That neuron is called afferent and sensory neuron. Second one, efferent neurons, which receive the signal from CNS, either from brain or spinal cord, and goes the signal to the muscles. That neuron is called motor neuron. And the third one is mixed neuron, which interconnect the afferent as well as efferent neuron, also called interneuron. Interneuron present in the CNS, present inside the CNS में जो present रहेगा, this is the types of, it's a functional type of neuron. So next we have here is the detailed structure of the neuron. So neurons which is differentiated into three parts: dendrites, cytosol, axon. So dendrites is the multipolar structure. So dendrites, here is the multipolar structure. So many dendrites are present. So dendrites helps in receive the signal, receive the information, receive the action potential, which pass to the cytosol. So here is the main cell body. Main cell body, that is called cytosol, also called soma. Or here is the cytoplasm present. That cytoplasm is called neuroplasm. Neuroplasm. And inside the neuroplasm, a main controlling center is present called nucleus. And the specialized granules is present, which is combination of ER and ribosome. That granule is called Nissl granule. Okay. And the next posterior process emerges from the posterior part of the cytosol. That elongation process is called axon. So axon is the process which help in the conduction of the nerve impulse, which is formed by the dendrite and goes and propagate to the whole nerve process. This is called axon. So axon, so over the surface of axon, a fatty layer sheath is present, is called myelin sheath. It's called myelin sheath. And certain interval, if gaps are present, that gaps is called nodes of Ranvier. And inside the myelin sheath and exolemma, plasma membrane of neuron. If cells are present, that cells are called Schwann cell. So Schwann cell is nothing, it is cells within cells. So here is the cell neuron, or inside the neuron also cells is present. Schwann cell help in the formation of the myelin sheath. Myelin sheath also produced from the another oligodendroid cells. So how it produced, it is a different. Okay, in next class we will discuss further. Okay, so here is the axon process. Certain interval not. And so this gap or nodes of neuron help in the speed the conduction of nerve impulse. And the end of the neuron is called axon terminal. And having a swelling structure called axonic button like structure with a button. And inside the axonic button, vesicles are present. That vesicle is called axonic vesicle, which contain neurotransmitter, which filled with transmitter like acetylcholine, okay, cholinergic histamine, non-epinephrine. These are the neurotransmitter present. At the time of the linear connection of the one neuron to another neuron, that neurotransmitter secrete and maintain the action potential to the next one, and the connectivity of the nerve impulse goes to the next neuron. So this help in the this process. So this is all about of nervous system, neuron, types of neuron on structural basis and functional basis, different types, afferent, different motor, and here is the detailed structure of neurons having dendrites, cytosol, axon, and the different parts of neuronal structure. So this is here. So I will stop here. Okay, next class we will further discuss. Thank you.